Hello. Ecosystem generally a topic where students do independent study, and that was the reason I've made this video on request. And here number of things will be as simple as I can, and I hope you will like it. If there is any comment, please do share with me. So ecology is the branch of biology to study each relationship. So when I say each relationship, which means ecosystem, habitat, population, community, biotic, abiotic factors that can affect population size or distribution. Now here this is very important thing. Yeah. Now next thing, ecosystem. Now what is this ecosystem? Now pay attention here please. Ecosystem where the living organism and non-living condition. So if we are going to talk about the whole ecosystem where all the living organism will also be there as well as their non-living condition. So it can be any place where pond is there, mountain is there, where rainfall is there, wind is there. So basically living organisms are also living in the pond or in the air as a bird, or non-living conditions are also there. For example, abiotic factor can be non-living condition, and abiotic factor can be sunlight, temperature, pH, water, soil or mineral. Okay, let's see what is habitat. So in terms of habitat, the place of an organism, the place where an organism live. So the place where an organism live can be the habitat of that organism, and here it can be field, it can be forest, it can be desert, it can be pond, or it can be river. So see, ecosystem was really big where all of this can come together. Yeah, and then we can talk about living and non-living condition as well, living organism with non-living condition. But habitat can be smaller than ecosystem, right? And it can be like just the forest, just this desert, right? Let's move on to the population then. So what is population? All organism of one species. All organism of one species. Yeah, in an habitat. So let's take one of the habitat and one species. For that particular species, whatever organism are there, whatever the number of organisms, all organism of one species can be habitat, but within the habitat there may be number of different population. So when there are number of different populations, so where number of different species is there, that can become a community. So let's see what is community. All different species in an habitat. So whatever the living species are there, different species are there, that can be a community. Now let's see the biotic and abiotic factors. So let's see first this two, and then I will going to talk about this line. Biotic factor, where the food availability, predator, competition from the organism, infection from pathogen. Abiotic, sunlight, temperature, pH, water, soil, mineral and solubility. So let's see back again. So when I say food availability, so food can be available for some organism. If there are more number of species present, similar kind of species, the food availability may going to reduce. If less population is present or less different species is present within the community, then food availability will be more. Predator. So when we are talking about predator, we also need to understand about the food chain and food web, and then we can talk about what is the predator. It can be on the top. So we will going to discuss about predator in the next video. Competition from other organism. So competition can be for the food, for shelter, or for reproduction. Infection from pathogen. This is another example, and we can discuss in detail about this in the next video. Abiotic factor can be sunlight. If there is more sunlight somewhere, it can be more like, or too much, then it will be a desert. If it will be really, if it will be less sunlight or limited sunlight. It can be the place where it will be too cold. So the same thing about the temperature, pH. pH of a water may going to varies at different place. In the same way, soil, mineral, and solubility. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope you like this video, and if there is anything you want me to amend the video or make a new video, please do let me know in the comment, and then I'll make it for you. Thank you. Bye.